Hey guys, working on a 2014 Mazda 6, and we are going to be doing a headlight bulb replacement. Typically what I've seen with this car is that you have to take the bumper out. You have to turn the wheel in or out and remove the fender liner to get to it. I'll tell you that you do not have to do that. Let's go to the engine bay and check it out. Pull your lever right here, pop it out. Your release lever is right here. Open that up. Now, for your passenger side, you can just simply reach your hand right here and just feel for it. Reach your hand in there and get it in there, and it locks in place by turning it, let me see here. It locks in place by turning it clockwise, okay? And then you get your thing, and it's plugged in. Good. On this side, my hands are a little fat, so I just got a flathead screwdriver. Just unscrew this. There's two tabs, pop them out, and then you can reach your hand right here. Literally, I don't know if you can see that. That's the connector right there. Got our bulb right here. Just going to reconnect it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try to take pictures, but just snap it in like that. And then just get your hand in there. And locked in place. Good. And then you just get your thing right here. Gently insert these three tabs in here. Sorry. There we go. Now, get that like that. And just pop this tab. Pop this tab. It's good and flush, and then just snug this down. Good. Alright. With everything out, let's go in the car, turn the lights on. Alright, just gonna get this here. Should be on auto, but then we'll turn it once, turn it twice. And just like that, that's working. And that's working. And just like that, we're finished. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until next time, out. Bye.